Welcome guys, today I am with the Bang Olufsen A1 second generation speaker and I will show you how you can pair it with your Android smartphone. First of all, you have to power on your speaker by using this power button. So let me show you how to make it. At the first I'm gonna turn it off. As you can see, it's turned off because indicator is not activated. So click once on this power button. If it is not working, you have to click and hold it until indicator turns on. There it is. And next you have to use the Bluetooth button, click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. Next you have to release the button, put this speaker close to your device. You have to open the Bluetooth settings, select to pair new device. When it appears on the list, just click on it once, accept the pairing request, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. The next step that we can make, that's very simple. We have to open the Play Store and get the Bang Olufsen application to get more features of this device. So get this one, you can find it on the Play Store or in the app gallery if you are using the Huawei phone without the Google services. Click open. Right now we can find a couple of the login methods. We can create an account or just sign in with the Google, for example, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. You have to decide the way of joining to this device. Select your email if you are using the Google method. Accept all of the permissions that will pop on the list, and then you have to just tap on the plus. Right now the device is not visible because it's not appears right here, so we can just scroll down and find our speaker. That's the A1 family. We can try to take a look for the second generation. Okay, looks like it not appears right here. So let's try to select this one. Okay, that's this one actually, that's the full name. Our speaker is turned on, as you can see, because the indicator is activated. And let's see if they can synchronize with the previous device, the Bang Olufsen Explore speaker. I just have the problem that it won't connect to the application for some reason. But after a few moments it was just connected automatically, so looks like we have the same problem right here. Let's go back from the setup. As you can see, this Bang Olufsen Explore speaker appears right here, and I have it in my hand, but it's turned off. So that's weird. I guess we can try to power off the speaker and move it to the pairing mode. Let's use the Bluetooth button to move it to the pairing mode. Okay, and let's see if right now we can find it. Okay, as you can see right now it appears, so just click on it once. Click to setup, accept all of this stuff. We can change the color of our speaker. We can also rename, and we can also set up the Amazon Alexa. You can also make it later, so we can decide. Select your speaker, and as you can see right here we can find a couple of the different options. But yeah, that's how you can simply connect this speaker to your Android phone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.